Yep, it was stolen. My first mod for the bike was stolen. Right out from underneath my nose, too, pretty much. Which is almost even more insulting in some weird way. But let me tell you what happened. So, I bought the first mod, and so I kind of forgot about it. So as I'm heading out just the other night to go get some takeout with Julie, we're driving by our mailbox as we're pulling out of our driveway, and I'm like, oh wow, look, there's a huge package awkwardly jammed onto the top of our mailbox. Not even in the mailbox, mind you, but sort of on the top of the mailbox. We were already on the road, so I didn't want to like awkwardly stop like 50 feet down the road and do like an 8-point turn or back up or what have you. So I just told myself I'd excitedly pick it up when we got home, and that would be that. I'd have my mod, and yeah, so here's where the story takes a turn. We go and get takeout, and we're only gone for a little while getting takeout. We drive back, we come up to our mailbox and driveway, and the package is completely gone. Just gone. No trace of it, no sign of it. We got out, got flashlights, got our cell phone lights on, and just started looking up and down the road. We started looking in the ditch, we started looking in the weeds and the woods, around nearby driveways and other mailboxes, and there's just no sign of it. There was no wind, no stormy weather. It's not like we're in the middle of a snowstorm and it got plowed into the snowbank or something. This was a perfectly still, calm summer's night. It seems like someone helped themselves and yoinked my first mod, and yeah, so sad story. Luckily, if there is any luck in this whole thing, this was a relatively inexpensive mod, so it's not like I'm out several $100s or anything. I do have to say that not only does it me off that someone seemingly stole it right off of my mailbox, but why oh why would the United States Postal Service put such an awkward huge delivery on the top of my mailbox? They bring things of far less awkwardness and size to my doorstep. Lumpy bag, and it had no structure, so it couldn't like balance up very well, and just why would you stuff that on the top of my mailbox? So I guess bottom line is better luck next time, I guess. And that will be that. Oh god, that reeks. That's like the remnants of a skunk.